Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions. You need Project Admin or Jira admin access to delete an issue. Next, find the exact issue using search, board, or backlog, and note its key like ABC 123 because that ensures you target the right record. Also, inspect linked issues, subtasks, and attachments. Deleting an issue removes related data. Once those checks are done, proceed to the issue view so you can access the options menu and take the first actionable step. Open the issue view and click the More menu in the top right. That reveals administrative actions. Select Delete. Jira then presents a confirmation dialog showing the issue key and a warning about permanent removal. Read the warning carefully because related subtasks, attachments, and links will be removed too, and the action is irreversible without backups. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. If not, consider resolving, closing, or linking to a duplicate instead of deleting to preserve history. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Jira shows a success message, and the issue should no longer appear in searches, boards, or filters. After deletion, verify board and backlog placements to ensure it's gone, and check any associated sprint or release references so nothing breaks your workflow. If you don't see the change or you deleted the wrong issue, consult Jira audit logs for details and restore from a recent backup if your instance has one, because deletion cannot be undone from the UI alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.